Regex Matching. I have the below regular expression in Python. Since there is a pipe, I will split it into two regex. For this, it should validate one or empty value. Am I correct? For the above regex, it would validate value of 1111. The first pair of 11 is based on 11 plus, and the second pair of 11 is due to \1. When I attempt to execute it in Python, it returns true only for 1111 but not 11 or empty value. Am I wrong somewhere?
You have a plus after the \1 meaning a greedy 1 or more. Are you trying to match 1 between 1 and 4 times? Use. The easiest is to use one of the great regex tools out there. Here is my favorite. With the same site, you can see why your regex does not work. Here is a site that explains regexes.
Ted wrote, for this, it should validate one or empty value. Am I correct? Yes, that is correct. Ted wrote, when I attempt to execute it in Python, it returns true only for 1111 but not 11 or empty value. Am I wrong somewhere? The empty string does get matched. The following snippet will print. And the input 11 is not matched because 11 is matched in group 1, 11 plus question mark, which should then be repeated at least once, \1 plus, which is not the case, it is not repeated.
If you want the second expression to match 11, 1111, 111,111, etc. Use.
I think you need more parentheses to define what the refers to. I would write the regex like this. Note there is only one start and end used.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.